So I'm just bumping around in the bush looking for deer sign, and I came across something pretty interesting, so I thought I would just video it and show it to you. So check this out. I have no idea how long these have been here, but I don't know. I'm just kind of fascinated by this stuff. Not everybody is. Not everybody really cares about this kind of thing, but for me, it's just pretty cool. I don't know how long these things have been here. You know, this car here, both the car and the truck are from the 1940s. The motor's in the truck, but the motor's out of the car. And then watch out for these cockleburrs. There's a motor right there on a tractor. Yeah, I don't know how long they've been here, but just kind of cool, I guess. They're just out here in the woods. I mean, this maybe used to be a farmstead 50, 75 years ago. Who knows? I thought you'd be interested. So here's another pickup. I think this one's even older. Not sure what year this might be. Probably somebody watching this can comment. Somebody watching it probably knows what year it is, and they could comment on it. There's the grill. Piece of farm machinery or of some sort right there.